Hi guys. Hey. Hi people. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing something different on my YouTube channel. I'm sure if you follow me like on Instagram, you'd know that I'm really into makeup. And recently, just to get like my face in order, I've really been into skincare too. Just to keep my skin healthy, try to sort out my acne. And my scarring and pigmentation, keep it all under control. So yeah, today's video is about this brand that I found on Instagram somehow. It was either either came up as a sponsored post, or I think like when I was searching makeup looks or makeup artists and stuff, I saw this foundation and I was like, wow, the coverage looked amazing. So then I went onto the website and then I basically looked for what could possibly be my shade, and I found the color, and then the color that I assumed it would be was actually the color that when I went on YouTube and I checked videos like for people that were close to my skin tone, they actually used the same foundation shade. So I was like, okay, so this is meant to be. I'm just really good at this. No, I'm not, because once I ordered foundation off Cult Beauty and it was not my shade at all, like so light. So then at the time when I purchased this, they were having a 50% sale on foundations and concealers. So then I was like, okay, it won't harm me to get a different, like another shade. It was close, but a different undertone. So then I got that, and at the time the concealer was $7, so the original price is $14, and then the original price of the foundation is $20 and I paid $10. So the total was $33.74 and the shipping was $3.99. So I had ordered this through my Aramex address. So basically this was shipped to my New York Aramex address, and then from there they sent it down to me. So then the only additional cost I had was the Aramex shipping fee, which is very minimal. I think it was 100 and something. I'm not too sure, but I'll leave the amounts on the screen somewhere. And then customs I think came to 200 and something. I'm not too sure. I'll also leave that somewhere. The delivery, like the duration that I waited was not as long as I expected. It came sooner than I expected. So I have been using the products for about the foundation for about 2 months now. So this is the packaging. I think it's really cute. Yeah, there's not much to say about it. It's super glossy, but no one cares about it. We do care about it, but
first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
whatever. Let's get into the products. So I have been using it, so it's not like the newest whatever. So the original, this is it. It comes in a tube form, and I am actually a very big fan of this because I hate wasting makeup. Well, I hate wasting in general, but like especially when you haven't gone out to get your next foundation and you're like, okay, I have enough in here, I'm sure it'll last me, and then you just can't get that out, but you know there's like a bit in there. I know with this I'll be able to squeeze out every last drop. So this is the foundation. It feels good. It's a squeezy thingy, and then this is the concealer. So the foundations come in 42 shades, and the concealer, let me just check that for you. Hi Apollo, you want to be in the video? Okay, while I look for that, when you sign up for the newsletter, like for your first purchase, you actually get 20% off your purchase. So that's great. You can use that. So they have 24 shades in the concealer. Yeah. So basically I got my original shade that I was set on, and I thought that I was Rio, which is 430, and then I also got Kampala, which is 340, and then I got the concealer in the shade 13. Yeah, so basically I'll swatch it for you guys now, but none of them are like my perfect tone. So what I ended up doing was, first I combined both of the foundations, and it was a tad bit too warm, but on like the more golden orangey side. So then I thought, maybe I should like just tone it down with this cool concealer. And so that's what I do now for my foundation. I mix the 3 of these, which is $27, which now is around about, forgive my maths, but like, because the dollar is like, I don't know, much higher now. So it's about 400, say maximum 500, and I used to spend about 600 to 700 on one foundation. So I think this is very worth it. I will definitely purchase this again. I'll show you guys why now. As you can see, I have a lot of scarring pigmentation, so I love something that's full coverage. I'm not at that stage. Good for you if you are at that stage where you can wear natural makeup and you can just spot conceal. I cannot, because then I'll be spotting my entire face and I might as well just make like tiles or something. I need a full coverage foundation. I'll swatch these for you and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, I want to show you real first. So this is what I thought would be my perfect shade. And guys, just watch the coverage. Okay, so that's Kampala. Oh no, sorry, that's Rio. And this is Kampala. So Kampala is more close to my skin tone, but I do like my skin looking a bit more golden and yellow, you know, channeling my inner turmeric self. So yeah, as I said before, I mix all of them, and then this is just if you guys want to do. No, this is the concealer. It's got a cooler tone. So what I do is I actually just mix a little of each on my hand every single time, because I'm scared to bulk, like mix quite a bit in a tub, because I feel like it might oxidize or it might get a bit dry or whatever the case may be. So I'm just gonna mix it all up a little bit and show you guys my foundation. Okay, so I'm just gonna prep my skin with this J1 Red Jelly Pack Primer that I found on this site called Shop Glow Theory. You can find them on Instagram, and then you can just get there. It's just, I think it's shopglowtheory.com. They have amazing Korean skincare, and they have this amazing tab where you click on your skin concern and it will show you products that they recommend for your skin. I did sanitize my hands before I rubbed this on my face. So I feel like this primer really helps the foundation stick onto my skin better. It makes it last a bit longer. But I think even without this primer, if you have to use any type of primer, a basic primer, this foundation generally, I feel, lasts long and it's just beautiful. Sorry about that. Okay, so now what I do is I go in with my, I love this product. If you don't know, if you haven't tried, if you don't dream of having, then you should. This is the Pixie Rose Glow Mist. I love it. I'm just gonna spray some of this over. I'm like scared of the spray. I don't know, not this spray, but like all sprays and sprays like that. So I'm just gonna go in. Ooh, so I like doing this before and after, just because I like the dewiness, because I do have dry and dehydrated skin. So the wetter the better for me, because crusty I cannot. Like how my lips were in my India vlog. For that, let me just plug you real quick. The Eucerin lip balm. It's a little tube thing and it's got a blue lid and it's white and it's a Eucerin lip thingy. It's the best. I don't have dry lips anymore because of that. Okay, let me just get into the foundation, like the reason why we're all here. Juvia Slays. Juvia Slays, I love you. I love you guys so much. Please add me onto your PR list. Shameless. I love it, guys. Like, I honestly love it. Like, I said the packaging doesn't matter, but it really does matter because it's really cute. And I haven't even thrown it away yet because I can't. Well, not throw away, I do recycle, like, boxes, but this is so cute. Let's just get into the foundation. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix it up for you guys. So I do start off with Rio, which is not this one. Rio. Literally at the back of my hand. So like a pea-sized amount, and then I go in with a little less of Kampala, and then I go in with this number 13. You know, and I just do it on there, and then what I actually do is I use the same thing and I just like mix it at the back of my hand because my hand's clean. I just sanitize my hand because it's right here. Okay. So this is what it looks like now. I don't know if you guys can even see this. This is it. And I'm going to apply it on my face. I'm going to show you guys. So this is my foundation brush. Let's just wipe that there. And I'm just going to add some sanitizer on here to protect myself from myself. Okay, so that should be a bit clean. I washed my brush a few days ago and only done makeup twice, so it's not that bad. And I would have done this like the second time I used it. So we're all good, guys. We're all good. I wish I was a singer. Can any of you sing? And then if you can't, do you also wish that you could sing? I wish I could sing. Because like I feel like even if you can't dance, you can teach yourself, like kinda. You can practice like forever. But if you can't sing, if you don't have a singing voice, you can never sing. And I know that because my husband started telling me to shh when I sing these days because I just got overboard. I just hit notes that I cannot even reach with like assistance even. I cannot even. I love singing. Anyway. Back to the makeup. It's foundation. So this is what I do. So I must admit, the downfall, well, the con for me about this is that I can't guarantee like the perfect shade every time I do my makeup. Just look at this coverage. It's just beautiful. And it's described as a velvety matte. And I feel like it's exactly that. I did not intend on rhyming, but yeah, look at this, guys. Look at this. So I'm trying to figure out now, because I really want to order more. I'm trying to figure out what could be my actual, like my perfect shade or something where I don't need to mix as much.
When I wake up, what do there? Is this?
I have tried this with a beauty blender, but personally I prefer a brush because of, I don't know, I just feel like it's also easier for me to apply with a brush, but it applies amazing with a beauty blender, so I just don't have the patience to like hold little itty bitty thing and like pat, blend. So yeah. So this is my foundation. As you guys can see, it's coverage for like camouflage. But anyway, I'm gonna finish make the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll show you guys after I've sprayed on this pixie. Yeah, so this is the final look. I love setting my entire face with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder, and I just did my normal, like my go-to makeup look, which is like basically nothing. But yeah, I absolutely love these foundations. The one thing I forgot to mention was that when I first opened it, it had a weird, like a slight chemical smell to it, and then I was smelling it on my face like maybe the first two to three times I used it, and then I think like as it's been opened and all of that, I don't smell it anymore. But I would definitely repurchase these products. If you guys have any questions about how to order it, and if you're in South Africa, please feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'll put up my Instagram somewhere here, or you can comment down below and ask me any questions you have. You can ask me any questions about any other products that I'm using, or if you'd like to see, it's very boring, how I do my makeup, because like there's a billion of people doing that right now, so I don't doubt you want to see that. But like anything else you want to see, just let me know down below. As I said earlier, if it's your first purchase and you sign up for the newsletter, you do get 20% off your first order, so that's fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got here, if you got this far, please like this video if you do. Comment down below. Comment if you like my hair because I straightened it after 5 months. I'm joking. Comment what you assume about the foundation by watching this video, if you would buy it. But thank you guys so much for your support. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not from South Africa and if you're watching this video somehow, please comment down below where you're from. Thank you guys and bye. Now I'm gonna shoot a thumbnail.